Ever wonder what to call all those weird sounds our bodies make? Let's dive into some common and not so common human body sounds. First up, a sigh. After a long day, you might just sigh with relief. It's that big exhale that says, phew, it's over. Like she sighed with relief after finishing the exam. Then there's the classic burp. Babies are famous for this one. The baby burped loudly after drinking milk. Sometimes adults do it too, especially after a fizzy drink. Speaking of which, you might belch after drinking a big glass of soda. It's basically a louder, more forceful burp. Feeling sick? You might cough. He coughed all night because of the cold. Or, if it's allergy season, you might sneeze. I always sneeze when spring allergies arrive. And if you have asthma, you might wheeze after running. Now, for the nighttime noises. Does someone in your house snore? My brother snores so loudly that I can't sleep. It's that rumbling sound that keeps everyone awake. Ever drink a soda too fast? You might get the hiccups. She got the hiccups after drinking soda too fast. It's that repetitive hic sound that can be super annoying. Let's talk about the embarrassing one. A fart. He farted during the meeting and everyone laughed. It happens to everyone! There are also sounds of effort or pain. A weightlifter might grunt as he lifts a heavy barbell. If you get bad news, you might groan. The students groaned when the teacher gave more homework. Or if you twist your ankle, you might moan in pain. What about expressions of disgust? The smell of rotten food made her gag. Or if you're trying to swallow something and it gets stuck, you might choke. He choked on a piece of bread and needed water. A sudden shock might make you gasp. She gasped when she saw the surprise gift. Then we have sounds of sadness or unhappiness. A person might sob uncontrollably after hearing bad news. A small, scared animal or child might whimper. The puppy whimpered because it was hungry. And a child who doesn't get what they want might whine. The child whined about not getting more candy. We also make sounds when we're just talking. People might chatter excitedly about their weekend plans. Or, if you're angry, you might mutter something under your breath. There are also some less common ones. An old engine might sputter before it dies, and a happy person might whistle a tune while walking home. Finally, that classic sign of being tired or bored. The yawn. She yawned during the boring lecture. So, there you have it. A whole vocabulary for the symphony of sounds our bodies produce. Which one did you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.